Hey there, and welcome to Meal Prep for Busy Mamas. I am Michelle Kuzmic. I have been a photographer for the last 23 years. I am the host of the Idea to Income Photography podcast, and I am the CEO of the Michelle Kuzmic Photography Business Academy. So you might be asking yourself, why am I doing a video on meal prep? Well, I'm going to tell you why. So this morning, I posted some pictures on my personal Facebook page about some meal prep that I did before the kids got out of bed. And I had several friends reach out. I had a couple of my students from the academy and just lots and lots of comments asking me to tell them how to do it. And they wanted recipes and all of that good stuff. So full disclaimer, it is rare that I do a recipe unless it happens to be on a holiday. I have certain things that I like to make, and that's about the end of that. I have three kids. Two are teenage boys, which live at home with me, and they like to eat. So although cooking is not my favorite thing, I end up doing it. And my goal with everything I do, whether it's running a business or cooking, is to make it as simple as possible. So I'm going to tell you what I did this morning. And funny story is I decided not to adult this weekend at all. So I never made it to the grocery store. So when I got up this morning, I was dealing with what was in my refrigerator. So here's the first picture that I put on Facebook, and basically what I look for, and when I happen to plan the meals, I go to the grocery store and I pick out 3 to 4 proteins. Normally, it's whatever happens to be on sale. So last week it was pork chops. Then I pick out 2 to 3 vegetables. Sometimes they are in a can. And then I pick out 2 to 3 carbs, which in my house is normally going to be rice or potatoes, unless I'm happen to do lasagna or spaghetti or something like that. So this is the picture I put on Facebook. This is how it ended up. And what I did was I went to my refrigerator and I had 2 bags of P.F. Chang's frozen meals. Which is a 10-minute stir it in the pan kind of thing. I had 1 pre-cooked pulled pork entree, which was 6 minutes in the microwave. And then I had 4 pre-cooked crab cakes, which was 16 minutes in the oven. So that's what I did with the proteins. Didn't have any canned vegetables because I am a minimalist and I only buy what I want to use. So this week I had an onion, a pepper, and a zucchini. I cooked half of the onion, the whole pepper, and both zucchinis. I had 2 zucchinis and fried them up in butter. Because to me, although I know butter's not great, I would rather eat healthy vegetables and butter than to eat potato chips. So that's what I did. And then I picked 2 to 3 carbs. The only thing that I had in my cabinet this week was 2 bags of brown minute rice. So I added the other half of the onion and I added the eggs and I stir fried rice. And that's how I ended up with this in less than an hour. So meal prep does not have to be hard. It's actually extremely simple. I just think in boxes, and I needed to fill 3 boxes in each of these trays. So that's how I do it. I hope that helps. And shameless plug, if you are looking to start a photography business or need help with the one that you have, michellekuzmic.com. I would love to help you get that organized as well. Have a great day.